Hello YouTube viewers, again another car video, and I'm making so many in the same hour you have to get caught up in all of them. Okay, today is going to be about a 2009 Nissan GTR, and it is by MAISTO. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I have a lot of cars out of this brand. Okay, that's it. He's actually, wait for that to stop. And this is actually turn by doing that. This is not remote control car. You can tell it's a model car. Remote control, don't have the doors that open. Okay, I'm gonna open that hood. Hood opens. Nice big engine. And this mirror broke off, by the way. I always break the mirrors off of my cars accidentally. Well, I did on most of them because I just moved and I didn't pack them that well. So some of them got their mirrors broken. But and then there's the inside, and the steering wheel broke off of there too, but I don't want to talk much about that, but whatever. There's the back of the car. I think this is a cool car. Okay, in the back, the back tire spins too. Now I'm gonna slowly turn it so you can see what's going on. Okay, so there's the front again. Okay, you've seen enough. I was getting kind of bored. That's it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.